Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to use the Canva application in your mobile system. In the previous video, I have already created a fresh video about the Canva application in your laptop system. In this video, I will explain to you the basic usage of the Canva application in the mobile system. Come to the mobile and open the Play Store application. You can see here, and then click on the search icon. You can see, and then type the Canva application in the search box. You can see here, and then click on the Canva photo editor. You can see, because the update option is available here, because I have already installed the Canva application. If your mobile does not exist the Canva application, then the installation option will also available here. So I have already installed the Canva application. Come to the Canva application. You can see here, this is the Canva app. Click on it, open it, and this is the main page of the Canva application. So below are the option available: create your design, templates. Then click on the create option. You can see here, you can create presentation, you can create the documents, and you can create the video and social media, website, email, photo editor. You can create anything from the Canva application. Then click on the upload option. You can see here, I want to upload some file. You can see here, you can upload the image, you can upload the audio, video, and you can, I want to upload the image, then it will be created. So how to go to the gallery? Where is the gallery? You can see here, scroll down, and you can see this is the gallery option. Click on it, and you can see here, I want to upload this one picture. Click on it. So the picture will upload on the Canva application. So come to the another option, your design option. This is the your all project are available here. You can see here, and this is the my previous project. So click on the text, and then I want to delete. Then click on the delete. You can easily delete this one. You can see here, you can easily delete the text, and you can easily delete the picture. Anything you can edit, and you can delete it. So finally, click on the take option. The project will save. The project will save in your design option. Then go to the templates. How to use the templates option? You can see here. Click on the templates option. Templates option also available here. And then I want to create YouTube channel thumbnail. And you can see here, there are many options available here: business, video, social media option also available in your templates option. So click on the templates search box, and I want to create the YouTube channel thumbnail. Click on it, and you can see here, and you can change the language of your thumbnail. Click on the language, and you can change the language easily. These all language all available here. You can change the style. Click on the style option. These style also available here. Which one style you want to apply on your templates. And categories option is also available here. These are all categories available: social, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube banner, and banner. These all options available here. I want to apply, and I want to then I want to select the YouTube thumbnail option. Click on it, and these are all the YouTube thumbnail available here. Scroll down. I want to change this one thumbnail. Click on it, and you can see here, I want to delete this picture. Click on it, and then click on the delete option. Then click on the upload option. You can see here, I want to upload this one picture on the thumbnail. Click on it. You can see here, and you can easily move your picture from one place to another place. You can see, and you can I want to delete this text. Click on it, and I want to change this one text. I type the Al-Hussein name. I want to delete this one text. Click on the delete option, and then you can move, and you can maximize and minimize your picture. You can see here, you can maximize my picture, and you can also move the text from one place to another place, and you can also the text, the font size. You can also change the font size and color of the font size. Click on the color option. You can see here, These all color all are available here. You can see the text color change by this gradient color option. Which one color you want to like, then you can apply easily on your text. You can see here. So I want to move the text from one place to another place, and you can change the text easily. You can change the color and font size. I want to change this one font also. Click on it and type the software installation, and then you can see here, this is the pixel option. I want to minimize my option, so I want to change the font. Which one font? I select this one, horizon fonts. Click on it. You can see here, and select the all text, and you can maximize and minimize the font size from this option, from the plus and minus option also available here. You can use it easily for the minimize and maximize the text. And you can see here, this is the, you can also adjust the text in the middle, in left side and right side. You can also give the number of your text from this option. So in one setting, you can also change the letter spacing. You can see here the letter spacing increase and decrease from this option, and you can also increase and decrease the line spacing from this option. And you can also choose the gallery option. Click on it and select the one photo from the gallery, and then click on the add to page. You can see here the photo will appear here, and you can move the photo, and you can minimize and maximize the photo, and you can adjust the photo, and you can delete the photo. You can see here the delete option also available here. So these are all options. The tool option is also available here. Click on it, and then click on this one option, the shape option. This is the shape option is also available here. You can choose any type of shape. I want to choose this one shape. Click on it, and you can maximize and minimize, and you can move the shape from one place to another place. So you can type any type of text in this one shape, and you can change the color of the text. So I want to text. Click on the text option. This is the text. Type the text. I type the text, the thumbnail. You can see here, and then adjust the thumbnail color, and I want to select the white color of the text. You can see, and then you can go to the font size. This is the font size. You can change the font size by moving this one option. You can see here. So click on the year, and I want to type the 2260 2026, and I want to delete this one, and you can delete this one, and you can change the above text. You can see here. So for the downloading, and click on the tick option. You can see here that after the tick option, you can create new design, upload file, resize, and setting, and you can save this one project, and you can download this one project, and you can share easily this one project. I want to download this one project. Click on download option, and you can see here, and you can minimize and maximize the size of the your project. And finally click on the download button. The download will start here, and depend upon your internet speed, it will complete within a second. And finally you can share this one project. Click on the share, and then click on the WhatsApp. I want to send this project to the Adel, and you can see here I have been sent this one project to the Adel Khan. Then for the go to the main page of the Canva application. Click on the home page option. This is the home page. You can see here. So in short, so in this video, I have explained to you the basic usage of the Canva application, and how to send and how to share your project and where your project saved, and how to delete your project, and how to edit your project. I have covered these all steps in this video. If you have any question about this video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.